let's take a look again in our symbols category. And we are going to use the KWL. We'll drag that into the screen. And then we can adjust our screen colors. I'm not liking that one at all. Let's adjust that again. And then we can adjust our border and our font. And we can ask our students to explain to us what they know about a topic, and we can quickly list this in here using our Simplicity Touch or our text tools here. If we wanted to write, we could easily write on the board. We can also type in here what the students know, and sometimes it's easier for us to just be able to write on the board. So we could say that they know that chickens lay eggs, chickens have feathers, chickens, and you know, they would have a whole bunch of other things that they would be listing for us. So as you can see, my text box is not big enough for everything, so I'm going to drag that so that it is large enough. Again, I can move it, rotate it, drag it however I want, and I can do the same thing in the what I want to know and then what I learned at the end of the unit. KWLs, as we all know, are extremely valuable in the teaching realm.